Let's go, guys, and get this accent wall together. So I went to the Home Depot and I picked up some chair rails. I also got a pin nail gun as well as a drill and a saw. I got some painter's tape as well. So I pre-cut my chair rails and we're going to be attaching it to the wall. What I do to hold it in place, I use the paint tape and put it in place so that I can have it steady on the wall for installation. So I am going to pretty much make sure that everything is in place, make sure it's leveled, and then we are going to nail the chair rails to the wall. What I'm going to be doing next is I am going to be painting the wall. So I am using the cracked pepper from Bear, and that's what I will be using to put our wall in the color that is desired. So when I paint, I pretty much don't tape. I have a steady hand, so I don't have to tape. So I am pretty much painting around the areas where I am putting my picture lights. As you guys can see, your girl is not taping anything, and I'm just getting the wall together. After I did all the painting and everything, I went ahead and I put all the mirrors back that I had there prior to. This wall is totally different now. I'm going to be uploading some new content where you guys are going to be seeing how the space is looking. I gave it pretty much a vintage look. I'm also going to be styling it and let you guys see what the space is looking like after I'm done. The full video is up on my YouTube channel, so if you guys wish to see how I did everything in slow-mo, please go ahead and click on my channel and enjoy.